Today, Governor Kemp signed a new law putting further regulations on companies that use ethylene oxide. It requires plants to report any spill or release of the toxic gas to the state within 24 hours. That information will then be posted publicly on the Environmental Protection Division's website. This comes after a series of leaks were uncovered. Covington's BP plant had large leaks in September 2019. Also in January of 2016. In Cobb County, Sterigenics reported leaks in July of 2019, in addition to 2 leaks in 2018.